Thanks for clicking onto this video. I know you're here because you've forgotten your MacBook password, but don't worry about that, because in this video I'm going to show you the quickest way to reset your MacBook password without erasing any data on the MacBook. So first and foremost, what you have to do is shut down the MacBook. We have to shut it down completely. Give it some time to shut down. As you can see, still have the backlights on. Now it's off. The next step you have to do is hold on Command and R option, and then while you still hold on it, press on the power button. So I'll press on the power button right here. Then once you press on the power button, as it turns on, hold on to the Command and R option. Just give it some time to load. And see, still hold on to the Command and R keys. Keep holding, yeah, till you see that. And then now give it some time to boot up. Just be patient with it. In the meantime, guys, if you are new to this account, please ensure that you subscribe, because these are some of the worthy content that you'll be getting onto this account. This is just an error for the battery running low. Don't worry about that. Now once you are in the recovery menu, what you have to do is come here to where you have the utilities here. Utilities, then click on utilities. Under utilities, click on terminal. After that, the terminal will open up, and then it's simple. All you have to write here is reset password. So you type reset password. Let me just type it, reset. Now once you've written reset password, you can see reset password, then hit on enter. I'll hit on enter key right here, hit enter. Then once you've hit enter, give it some time to do its things, and then you'll have this password menu opening up. Now here you'll type your new password, then you verify your new password. So for our case, I'll just use a simple password, like let me just use 1234 1234. Then over here I'll also use 1234. Then all you have to do after that is just click on the next icon. It's pretty simple. Give it some time to save, and then after that you can see your account password has been reset. You may restart and log in using your new password, so don't worry about the power issues here. Okay, and after that, now you can exit the recovery utilities. Here you can come once again and then type exit. It's not a must though, just type exit and then hit enter, and then once it's done, come up there and then restart your MacBook. Now give it some time to boot up, and you're almost there. Just a moment. So far, if this is working for you, don't forget to leave a like on this video. Don't forget to share with anyone who you feel has the same issue, and don't forget to subscribe to this account. Now we have our new login interface right over there. Let's now use our new password to see if it works. That is 1234, and then hit enter, and just like that, we are in and able to log in. And something that I must confirm here: if you follow the same procedure and you find yourself at that point where you have to put your Apple ID and password, remember this procedure is not for a stolen device. So if you have an Apple ID and password, ensure that you place them under that section, that is under the recovery utility menu. Then after that, it will bring you to where you have the terminal, and then from the terminal you'll be able to reset the password. Guys, if that worked, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the account. See you next time on another interesting video like this one. Bye.